Total PT Fitness makes nutrition easy. Included in our software are hundreds and hundreds of registered dietitian meal plans, or you can create your own. Let's show you how easy it is. We choose our client, we open up their record, we drop down to nutrition. Here we can see their current weight and their target weight. Simply click on the nutrition link. Takes us to the nutrition tab where we can see their current calorie requirements. We can edit custom nutritional balances. We can enter their current body weight and their target weight. Choose their activity level, and then choose either a date for the weight loss or how many pounds per week. Next, go to the meal plans. Choose from any of the recommended meal plans in that calorie range. So we could take over the antioxidants and a detox and a flexitarian plan. You can now issue the meal plans. You can edit them for any preferences that your client might have. Once issued, your client can access their meal plans on their website portal or the free phone app. Down below is a history of all the meal plans that you have provided your client. It includes a summary of the meal plan with nutritional breakdowns. Each day is outlined, and all meal plans come with recipes and shopping lists. Total PT Fitness allows you to easily generate meal plans for your clients and have the security of providing them with registered dietitian meal plans. Be sure to try out our free trial and check out how efficient it is for you to create meal plans for your clients.